Hello guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to change the battery. This is very quick on this thermostat T5 thermostat.
This costs $70 on Lowe's, and we're gonna show you how to change the battery.
This is a programmable thermostat. So what you do when you have it installed, simply just take it out. It's that easy, watch. But be sure you don't take it out like sideways because you destroy the wires.
If you're not the one that installed this, then this will showing you how to open it.
Boom, take it out. See that this is awesome because there's the pin connectors. This takes batteries, unfortunately. Because most new thermostats, they wire up and you don't have to change batteries. But this one, you have to. See those two batteries? Simply just swap them. When you're ready to put it back, make sure you align the wires. You don't want anything to break. Yeah, pins. And then watch. I love this thermostat for that reason. I don't know why other people don't like battery operated ones. I don't mind it because it's like I could just take it out, boom, like this, and I don't have to worry about no wires being
It's been 6
broken.
months since we put on a new battery, and it's fine.
It's been here, yeah, just working nicely. And what I like about this thermostat is, look, it has a bright screen, so you can see everything. So this is the fastest way to change batteries. So hope you guys like
Remember
it.
to subscribe to the channel. We're gonna do more reviews, more shooting. What you got? Hot Sun Blitz.
Yes.
Hot Sun Bully. So go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you later.